Let me start off by saying that this video is long overdue. Just wanted to hop on real quick and say thank you all for helping me reach my first 100 subscribers. Yes, I hit my 100 subscriber mark back on February 16th, and today is April 2nd, which is why I said this video is long overdue. I do have to give a special shout out to Rochelle of Rochelle Handmade Designs and Carmen Salome. Hope I'm saying your name right. If not, please correct me. But thank you, thank you, thank you, because without your suggestions, advice, and encouragement to move forward with what I wanted to do, I probably would not be doing this today. So special thanks to you too. But for all of my subscribers, I just want to let you know how much I appreciate you believing in me and continuing to return to watch the content that I put out. It means a lot, and I wouldn't be where I am today without you guys. So again, thank you, thank you, thank you. And last but definitely not least, I have to give special shout out to my family, to my husband, Derek, for supporting me, loving me, and pushing me to reach for my dreams and not to give up and to keep going. To my daughter, Ayana, she works this camera like no other. So all of this that y'all see, she's behind there producing me, counting me down. She does all of that. To Kennedy, thank you, because she taught me how to edit my videos. It was getting the best of me, but she did some editing for me, and she also showed me how to do my own editing. To Tanaya, thank you for your support. Shane, thank you for your support, sweetie. That's my son, not a daughter. To everybody, I just thank you. I love you, and I hope to see you soon.